Sunny. Today is a sunny day, perfect for a picnic. Sunny. Rainy. We stayed home because it was a rainy evening. Rainy. Snowy. Children love playing on snowy mornings. Snowy. Windy. It's too windy to fly a kite today. Windy. Cloudy. The sky looks cloudy before rain. Cloudy. Tornado. A tornado destroyed several houses. Tornado. Dry. The desert is very dry all year. Dry. Icy. The river is icy in winter. Icy. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is coming from the west. Thunderstorm. Volcano. The volcano has erupted. Volcano. Aurora. The aurora dancing in the sky. Aurora. Meteor shower. We stayed up to watch the meteor shower. Meteor shower. Avalanche. Avalanche blocked the mountain road. Avalanche. Chilly. The weather is chilly, so wear a coat. Chilly. Tsunami. Tsunami hit the coast last night. Tsunami. Overcast. The sky is overcast. Overcast. Downpour. The downpour soaked everyone. Downpour. Rainbow. A beautiful rainbow appeared. Rainbow. Lightning. We saw lightning in the sky. lightning, frosty. The road is frosty today. Frosty. Dusty. The mountains in the distance are dusty. Dusty. Foggy. Driving is dangerous on a foggy road. Foggy. Cold. The water was too cold to drink. Cold. Humid. Summers here are humid. Humid. Warm. The evening weather is warm. Warm. Hot. The weather is so hot that it's swimming. Hot. Stormy. People prepared for stormy weather. Stormy. Hurricane. The hurricane reached the coast. Hurricane. Icicle. An icicle was hanging from the roof. Icicle. Glacier. This glacier is melting. Glacier. Cyclone. The region prepared for the coming cyclone. Cyclone. Snowstorm. City shut down due to snowstorm. Snowstorm. Wave. The sea wave is very big. The wave. Dust storm. A dust storm covered the city with sand. Dust storm. Sleet. Driving is difficult when it's sleet outside. Sleet. Blizzard. Mountaineers caught in a blizzard. Blizzard. Snowflake. A snowflake landed on my hand. Snowflake. Breeze. A gentle breeze is blowing. Breeze.